Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to get started making a flow chart in Word. So first thing you're going to do is open up Word and create a blank document, and then you're going to go to Layout and you're going to switch your orientation to Landscape. This just helps you to have a little bit more room and to be able to display all the parts of your flowchart better. So the next thing that you're going to do is go to the Insert tab, and you're going to go to the Shapes dropdown and Word, and also PowerPoint. If you choose to do this in PowerPoint instead, you can insert all of these flowchart shapes. And so it's really up to you which shapes you want to use. Generally speaking, your input shapes should be different than your spatial operation shapes. In this case, I'm going to use squares and circles. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few of these shapes really quickly just to get them ready. And then as soon as you have that one shape inserted, it's going to bring you over to the Format tab, and then it's going to have all these really quick go-to options for you. So here we are over at our shapes, and I'm going to have that spatial operation circle. And then, of course, we'll have our arrows as well to really be able to visualize that flow. And so you can very easily just keep going back and adding more shapes, or you can just copy and paste and create the shapes that you need. So I'm just going to display one step in my spatial analysis process. Again, this is just a brief demonstration. The discussion is going to require you to have at least 4. Since I'm using the Lab 9 data as an example, I'm going to just start right at the beginning of the lab, and the first step is going to have you intersect your creeks layer with the salamander habitat layer, and so this is going to be my first input layer. And if you just select that shape, it's really neat. Word has already created this space as a text box, so you'll just select that box and then just immediately start typing. So I'm going to put creeks. This is my first input layer, and then I'm going to select my first spatial operation, which would be an overlay operation of intersect. And then I'm going to have my output layer and have that be, we'll just call it Salamander Creeks. So now I am ready to create an image to be able to upload into Canvas for my discussion submission. So what I'm going to do, since Word doesn't allow me to save this as an image, I'm going to use my snipping tool. And I'm going to select my flowchart. And then I'm going to save my snip. I'm going to save it as a JPEG to my desktop. And you could save it wherever you want to, if you have a discussions folder or whatever helps you keep organized. So I'm going to label it flowchart, have my initials in there, and I'm going to go ahead and click save, and it should be ready to be uploaded into Canvas.